Cooking. It's definitely one of those things you either love or you hate, but most people fall somewhere between hopeless failure and kitchen whiz. Progress is all about trending more toward the latter and away from the former. The good news is, if you're here, chances are that you're already headed in the right direction. Welcome to another episode of Tech Sector Weekly. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest uploads. Let's get into today's video. 𝐿 Water Hog Comfort Mat. Standing in the kitchen all day can be hard on your feet, but 𝐿 Water Hog Comfort Mat provides support. Its thick rubber backing shields your feet from the hard floor, melting away the pain that comes with standing for long periods of time. 𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐷 Stainless Steel French Press. 𝐤𝐨𝐬𝐷 Stainless Steel French Press is a sleek take on the classic French press. Your coffee will also stay hot way longer than the glass varieties. No one likes a cold cup of coffee, unless it's cold brew, but that's a different story. Picnic Time Insulated Wine Cooler Bag. Going on a picnic and can't fathom the thought of leaving your wine behind? Take it with you. The Picnic Time Insulated Wine Cooler Bag will keep your wine or champagne cool, safe, and stylish too. And it fits 2 bottles. KitchenAid Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Stop paying so much for expensive cold brew. You can make your own at home with KitchenAid's Cold Brew Coffee Maker. All you have to do is add beans and water or milk, let it sit for 12 to 24 hours, and voila, a rich cup of coffee. 𝐸nova Precision Sous Vide Vacuum Sealer. Tired of throwing out food that's gone bad before you've even had a chance to touch it, let alone cook it? The 𝐸nova Precision Sous Vide Vacuum Sealer will seriously extend the lifespan of your meals, up to 3 years for meat. It'll extend your freezer space too. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Looking for a gadget that'll make all your sandwich components in one fell swoop? Hamilton Beach has got you covered with its breakfast sandwich maker. Breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day after all. Peleg Design Egg Yolk Separator. The ergonomic Peleg Design Egg Yolk Separator is hands down the cutest way to separate your egg yolks from your egg whites. Hayworth's Sushi Maker Roller Machine. New to making sushi at home? It's no secret that getting a tight roll is the hardest part. However, the one-touch Hayworth's Sushi Maker Roller Machine will make things a little easier. Chef Master Meat Tenderizer Tool. Your next steak dinner is going to taste amazing with the handy-dandy Chef Master Meat Tenderizer Tool. You'll be cooking like the pros in a 5-star restaurant with this one. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. Avocado toast lovers, listen up. The OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer makes it easier than ever to chop, pit, and slice an avo, so your avocado toast can be both tasty and symmetrical. Spiralizer 7-blade Vegetable Slicer. As I spiralized, I looked towards the heaven and thanked my God for blessing the world with this tool, said one reviewer. I don't think we need any more convincing to add the Spiralizer 7-blade Vegetable Slicer to our shopping carts. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video and found it interesting, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.